Right guys, today we've just released a brand new offer that we've got, £750 for the Plan-R 2D diesel heater fully fitted. It's a fantastic offer. We've got lots coming into stock, so we managed to secure a special price for our suppliers, so we were able to pass these savings on to you. As you can see here, we're just fitting one now. This is how the heaters come. So the price comes with a special kit price of the extra long controller cable, the silent pump included in this price as well, and it's fitted underneath the van externally. So you don't have to have the unit actually inside the van. So as we pass under here, we'll just show you exactly how it's mounted. Now what you can see is the heater is installed underneath the van here with an external bracket. Then we've got the fuel line that will go directly into your diesel fuel tank. So again, we don't have to have a fuel tank inside the van. It will come directly off your main fuel tank and powers itself. It does need a leisure battery to be powered, although it can go onto the main vehicle battery if it needed to. Please note the price is based on a van that is not converted. So if there's a converted van and it's a bit more involved in work, there may be a little bit of extra labour involved in the price. But as you can see, we've got a fantastic price. If you're interested in getting booked in, spaces are filling really fast this morning, so please make sure you get in contact with us. Drop us a message on Facebook, Instagram, give us a phone call, we'll get you booked in and get you a nice warm night heater ready for the winter. Allows you to go camping all year round and you won't have to worry about being cold inside the van at all. Thanks guys, and check out the next video as it comes out.